All right, guys. So today, as you all know, we are going to talk about the best thing in our life. I think we all are working for that, studying for that, and we are doing everything for that, whether we accept or not. Most of us, 99%, I'm not talking about a few. If there are maybe zero point 0.1 and 0.001% people who don't want to money or anything like that, but still I think they might have, that's why they don't want. But most of us, more than 99% people, no doubt we all people need money, and it's just normal, this is a materialistic world. Like now I'm just
Hmm.
creating this session just because of this Zoom session, and with the help of my laptop. It was never ever possible if I didn't have a laptop and I didn't purchase it, right? So I think, yeah, it is a very important thing. And let me put my perspective about the money. I have already put, yeah, it is very most important thing in my life. uh, I can't say it's up, like, I can't live with it, but yeah, it is also true. If the money I don't have, I think I will suffer more. So if i if I want to change not only myself, it's okay. I can change myself with a little money, I can change my family with a little money, but I think if we want to change other people also, the lives of other people, I know there are so many other ways that we can help, but how can you help actually? But if we have money, I think so many problems we can solve, and the best part, we can reach to so many people. So,
Hmm.
and also take examples nowadays. Just take an example of Sadhguru. He's a monk, and I think he's the best monk in the world nowadays. Every people, more than millions people are follower of him, and yeah, he made his own empire. No doubt, he's helping so many poor people also at his own center. I mean, he is providing food, shelter, everything that is good and very, very, very appreciable. So in terms of me, no doubt, I think if I have more money, I can reach so many people. I can do something more, and still I'm trying to do. So in that part, I think we have to work. We have to work every single day without having any question about that. I mean, there are if you guys any question raise, I think few questions can raise in the mind of Sunil. If I make any points, so bro, you can ask, or you can put your perspective about that. So everyone is free about their own perspective, that what they think actually about money. Okay, and other people, if you guys want to ask, definitely you can ask. So this is how we will have a clear impact of it, just because it is a truth, it is a truth, it is a life. I mean, it will be in your whole life, from birth to, like, yeah, uh, before death. So that's why if anybody feel offended or anything, like, yeah, I don't accept that a statement that you have made, you can raise a question. So this is how we have a clarity. Okay, and the topic that I have taken to today, it's not only for just because we are improving our English language. We are doing it for so long time, and we will do it, and we still are doing. But also the topic we have taken, so I think we have a little bit more perspective about it. Okay, so is it all from my side now? Okay, Sunil, what do you want to say about it?
Sorry, Dhruv, I can't speak right now. Actually, I'm right before I'm coming from jogging, from
Okay,
running, so
okay,
I'm panting like a dog. So
okay.
I'll talk later.
I
If
can
I relax, then
understand.
I will talk later.
Sure,
Yeah,
you are free.
yeah.
Okay. So Manisha,
Yes, sir.
yeah, what do you think
Sir,
about it?
I'll yes, sir. I would like to start with the background first.
Mm-hmm.
Background means from the starting of money, like history of money. So, as history is concerned, uh, in the Gupta period, money came into being, and before that, like metallic money came into being, and before that, we were using like barter system and all. So we were using barter system from the historical times, like from the past years, from the ancient times we were using barter system. But there were many limitations in the barter system, like both if we want to purchase something and the other one is don't having that thing which I want, so there is no trade between us can happen. So so we were switched to this metallic money, and then gold coins and silver coins like metallic money uh, was was came into being. And then as and and then that like when money evolution happened, like we currency notes came into being. And then currency note, with this currency notes we found like uh, currency notes were easy to carry, and there was no intrinsic value, no or very little, you can say, intrinsic value of that currency notes. Like it is made, it's just made of paper, so paper cost is less in comparison to money. So so currency money came into being, and then it is running on in this time also. But as we are seeing, we have switched from the money part, we are using currency notes in the very limited form, and maximum we are using like digital money. We are making transaction with this digital money, and this is convenient way also. We don't in a hassle to carry like many load with our in our hands to carry like currency notes. So we save transaction we can do with this digital currencies. Like we have seen in news, like cryptocurrencies were in news from the 2018, you can say. But in 2018, our supreme our RBI has mentioned like we are not promoting this cryptocurrency because there were a lot of issues in that cryptocurrency, because that cryptocurrency has no any centralized body which is regulating it. So so our RBI recommended don't use cryptocurrencies. So in today's time, we are dealing with just digital money and then currency notes. We as our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi have also promoted the digital currency, so we should go with that. And it is just like a Dhan account also opened by our Prime Minister, and that was a very good step. You know, very village people, they used to store money in their home only. Like when many women were storing money in their homes, but they were not going to banks and all. So Jandhan account were helped is helping them, like storing in them that money in their bank accounts, so that they can gain some share of interest also from there. And it is making very useful purpose, it is solving useful purpose of that women who are who are managing household works. Like they are connecting with the outer world also. It is helping. And of course we all need money. We all need money, either we are working or not working, we all just depend on money. If we have money, we can fulfill our desires, our hopes. And then, and the best thing the money has is, if we have money, we can just try to help somebody else also. You know, like Sood, actor Sood Sharma, or what, Sood, Mr. Sood, actor, is doing
Sonu Sood.
Sonu Sood, right? Sonu Sood. He is doing such a good job. He is doing such a good job. Like he is helping so many people. Like like in this COVID pandemic, he had done very good job by carrying lots of people to their villages. This was possible. Yes, this was possible. This is only because he has money, and also the willpower is the most needed thing he has. But with the will, he also has this money power. So I think both the things are necessary if we want to do something for our society, for just anybody else. We just, if we want to improve ourselves or whatever we need, money is the best thing. Money is the much more needed thing we carries. And we struggle in our life, like we are struggling, like we are doing this Zoom meeting and all, we are trying to build our speaking skills and all. some some part may also carries like we need to build our skills. Because of this, we need our social status in the society. Like this will possible because if we have money. So so money can be money can be get by just by if we are empowered. It's empowered, and if we are employed. So employment can on employment is needed for everyone, and the uses of money are infinite, just infinite uses of money. And this is the best thing. If we have money, we can do anything, but whatever we want. Somebody says, some people says like money is doesn't carries much relevance, but I don't think so. I think money is like next to everything, sir. Thank you.
All right. Okay, Rajat. Unmute yourself, Rajat. Firstly, unmute yourself and start speaking. Yeah, go ahead.
Now you are getting my voice?
Yeah, you're at home.
Okay. So first of all, I want to say good evening, guys. I am Rajat. So today's your topic, money. What do you think about the money? Yeah, money is important because person has money, so they can buy everything like like mobiles, like homes, like cell phone, etc. But and we are doing work for money. If person has money, so they will get the respect from someone else. But according to me, according to my knowledge, only by the money only we can buy artificial product, not not feelings and not emotions. And I think depend on the person. If person has money, they are happy or not, because if they will satisfy like on resources, and people will have not money, so I think they will happy. if people will if people will have lots of money, but they will not satisfy, and they are thinking about extra, so I think they can't live happy. We know lots of richest person, they have lots of money, but they are not satisfied. They are not spending much time with on parents, with on relatives, and with on friends. Only they are following the money. They are running behind of money. So I think yeah, money is the important for the for surviving life. But by the money we can't live happy, because the satisfaction is the most important according to my knowledge. That's it. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. All
That's
right.
it.
Yeah.
That's it.
All right.
I have I have done.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. Shibu, unmute yourself.
Yeah, so hi guys, I'm Sivan Kumar, and today's topic is what you think about this like money. Okay, so my think is like money is a like important. When you have a lot of money, then you can purchase some more product, and like if you have like more money, okay, then you will purchase car and like BMWs and more different companies cars and like luxury or so you can purchase easily. And second thing is money is not all, okay, but money with a respect. Like all like not all people, but some people are doing work for money and some respect for, okay, not only money and not only respect, because we can not survive in life without money, okay. But yeah, respect is important, but today's topic is money. So money, I can say money is important because when you have fever and if you have like any problem, so you can definitely solve with money. Okay. And like you like if you have not home, so you can purchase your home and anything like any product. Okay. So money is important and not as any like all. Okay. But according to me, nothing. Sorry, money is not all things. Okay. Because with money and respect and some are important, but not only money is important in the any person for. Okay. And yeah, so I okay, that's
Okay,
all for my side
all right.
because Manisha and Rajat also mentioned some more points. So begin by okay, that's it.
Yeah. Okay, Shivam. Shivam, are you there? Okay, Monty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good evening, guys. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
So, in my point of view, what I think that about money is that it is a kind of source, and, and from which we can sometimes be happy or sometimes we can't buy happiness. So, with money, I think sometimes we are happy. So, yeah, it is also a source from which we buy the happiness. Because if we don't have the money, although we are sad, but if we have the money, so we can't say that we will be happy. So it plays the both role, and it is a source from the starting, like the Manisha had mentioned that in starting in the Gupta period, that is the golden age of our era, and from which it is a kind of source that coins were started. So money plays a very big role in our life. With daily work, we are totally dependent on it. Without it, I think the entire life is nothing. We can't live without money nowadays, because every source we are buying, either any job we are doing is is for the money. Like our parents were working for any company or any government jobs, there what is the main purpose? I know that they have kind of interest in that job, but basically the main purpose is the money, because it is the source from which we are buying the happiness nowadays. And even we can say that the respect, maximum the respect given to the different peoples were due to the money also. If anybody have the car, if anybody have the money, so it is respected by the people. But I deny this thing, because we should respect the people by not money, by their works that they are doing, by the I think their condition or their personality, not by the money, not by looking at his car. So I can say that money is a source from which we buy not anything, but we can easily be happy with the money. And we are daily working hard for that. Our parents are working hard, and even like some of the nowadays, some of like I give one example of one person that he was saying that money can't buy happiness for me. So at that moment, it is right that money can't buy happiness, but at some moment, if he, although if he had not happiness, then also the money can't buy happiness. But at most, at some condition, it if he can buy some of the sources, then he will be happy at that moment. So it is a very contradiction statement about from my point of view.
Okay, so
So
Monty, okay, just I want to ask you a question. Okay, so is there
yeah, yeah.
anywhere written that money, happiness, all these things are related? I mean, these kind of statement we have made, and mostly those people who made, I think, were like people like us who are middle class or maybe below middle class people about it. I mean, this is like I have my parents, they can't, so I can't be happy just because of my parents. I think it is all up to us, the behavior they are making with us. We can't say, we can't relate that just because I have father, so I can't be happy. There are so many houses, in that houses, like their fathers drink, then they come, that's why they are not happy. So can we generalize it that, oh, if there is a father, they can't be happy? I mean, it is depend person to person. So
Yeah, exactly.
yeah, so why all the time we need to relate with the money? I mean, what it has to do with your happiness? If you have a lot of I mean, this is also true. If you don't have money, can you be happy? I mean,
Yeah,
you
it is the
can't compare,
like
like, you can't compare.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
No, although we can't compare a man with the money, exactly you are
yeah,
saying, but without the money, actually it is the ultimate source for which
it is
I think
true. It
someone
is
is
true
doing working.
in this world, and even your parents have worked. You are working. You have studied for what?
for money.
Whether we accept or not, yeah, we need,
Yeah,
at least we
indirectly, yeah.
think, yeah, at least we think we need a
Directly or
kind of
indirectly, we are related
lifestyle.
to that thing.
Yeah, sure. But just because of we have listened few people that they are, who is not happy. I mean, just take an example of I think Ratan Tata and so many other people are, they are,
Yeah,
they,
they
they
are
are
happy.
driving our country. We are not. We are only thinking about ourselves. Like few people say, just I want to
Hmm.
break this thing, that we say it's okay, be happy, whatever you have, and like just that money is sufficient for how much money you need for your survival. This is why you are here in this world. I mean, in this earth, just for your own survival. And after that, what? I mean,
Dhruv,
entire life you have worked for. Yeah, yeah, Rajat.
yeah, Dhruv, I have a example. I think you know about Rahul Gandhi. He has lots of money.
Okay,
Okay, and but he is not
Yeah.
happy. Why? Because he
who told you?
want to get the
How can you say
position.
Who told you he is not
that?
happy?
Because every time, like I saw lots of time, he is running for the power.
So,
So,
is there
Money
anything wrong
can
about
get
it?
the power. Money give the
But
power. Yeah.
money
he has
can
lots
get
of
power.
money. How? Because in this
Actually,
time, Prime Minister, sorry, PM Modi is the Prime Minister of India.
So,
Hello,
Hmm.
Yeah, they are
yeah, yeah.
listening you.
but Modi has not lots of money as compared than Rahul Gandhi.
Yeah.
I was
Okay.
saying
Hmm.
Okay.
PM
Yeah, yeah,
Modi,
go ahead.
Now we understand
Modi
your
is the
point, but yeah,
yeah.
actually it is about the you are saying that the Rahul Gandhi don't have the power, but he have the money. Although the Modi don't have
Yeah, he has
money,
lots
although
of
he have
money.
the
He has
power.
lots of money,
So
but he
actually, yeah,
yeah. Go ahead.
nobody
it is
knows
the power of
exactly how
expression
much
that Modi
money
have.
both have.
It is the power of expression that Modi have. Modi gave the speeches and influenced the people,
Yeah.
Yeah,
but
ultimately
Rahul
we do
Gandhi
not
doesn't
know how
influence the
much
people as
money.
compared to the Modi.
Yeah,
But so money is
ultimately
not
we do
everything,
not
na.
know what how much money
No, no, no.
Gandhi have
Money
and
is
how
not.
much money Modi have. So, how can we relate that?
No, no.
Sorry.
I'm saying money is not anything. Okay, you cannot purchase all, like for power and like respect.
Yeah,
You cannot
Mitra.
this with your money. Okay, but why? Some people are not happy and not happiness because why? Because they have some problem, but they are solve any
Excuse me.
problem with
Excuse
money. Okay, we
me.
can use the money and solve problems like anything,
You exact
but
data.
you cannot.
Let me give you
Mhm.
exact data. There are 10% people who have entire world 90% of wealth. Okay, 90% people, they don't have the wealth that actually 10% people have. Now just tell me who is more suffering.
You know
That's
what?
the problem.
In this time, Trump has lots of money. Okay,
Yeah.
but he is not happy.
How can you say so?
Why not happy? Why?
Whether
Why
I
not
am
happy?
What
saying
is happiness?
because whether
What is happiness?
Yeah.
First
because
of all,
whether
clear this thing. What is happiness?
Firstly,
Guys,
It's a
guys,
thing.
guys, let other people speak. Please don't fight here. Let other people speak and divide the
okay,
time. We have not much
okay,
time.
Sunil, okay,
So other
okay,
people let
Sunil,
this
okay, sir,
talk.
okay,
Yeah.
Sunil.
No, I'm not talking to a particular person. I'm talking to all. Let speak other persons. I
also,
think that would be
the
good.
thing that you tell you, I think that we are to
Bro, in today's era, you
happy all the time.
in today's era, we can't guess that a person is happy or not by his face expressions.
What did you say, Shivam?
So Dhruv, can I speak?
Yeah, okay, go ahead. Now you can speak. We also don't have enough time.
Okay. Yeah, so let me make my point. So first of all, I don't think that it can bring happiness or can snatch our happiness. I don't want to go in this argument. I would say that money is it's a integral part of our life. We can't say that I don't need. And if we say that I don't need much money and I don't think that money is everything, that I think a foolish statement. Whoever say such kind of thing. And the fact is only 10% acquiring the money of entire world that has left 90% have. So the 10% people they have the entire money of the world. So they never ever make such statement and comment that money is not everything. They never ever say such kind of thing. You will never ever hear such a statement from any rich persons like the Ambani, like the Tata, Birla, and the Bill Gates and the Steve Jobs. They will never ever say such things. Such things come from the obviously from the middle class mind, they say. And I don't know from which source they are getting such information and why they. I think they are just doing such things to self-satisfaction. If they make such things, then they feel, oh, good. Because it's simple.
Right.
Earning is really hard. It's bloody get sweat. It's really require hard work.
Right.
Then we simply say, oh, money is not everything. Then I feel satisfied. Oh, I don't need to make more money. Then I just do such things for my self satisfaction. And let me make a point that if any of among you feeling that I have much money, then I would happy to get money. You can transfer to me. I'll give you a lot of blessings. So I would say no things. I think it's an integral part. Because of money, I have roof on my head. I have right now roof, and in this bloody winter, I'm feeling right now happy because of the shelter I have, the family, my parent provided me. So such things I think come from the money. And the chair where I'm right now sitting, I think such things I get from the money, the mobile, the technology, the earphone that we are using. I think such things come from the money. So there's no argument if you say that I don't need money and this is not everything. Yeah, money is not everything,
Right.
but I would say it's not less than everything. It's not everything,
Yeah,
but it's
right.
not less than everything. Because of money, I can get world class a healthcare service. I can, if I feel sick, if I get sick, any severe disease, then I can go in any hospital and I can cure my disease because of money. If I go there and I say that I'm a very generous person, I have good feeling for entire world, I think the administration of hospital will deny that I don't need your blessing on your generosity. We just need money because our doctors working for money. So that this is a harsh reality. So I think we should earn money. We can earn more and we can get more facilities. We can provide best facilities towards our family member, upcoming generation. They would be happy. Yeah, and we can't say that it make happy or make sad. No point. There's no argument. It's an integral part. So we have to keep earning, and we should save money. It will really help in the crisis. If we save now, then I think it will help in upcoming time. Whenever we have a bad time, it will help us. So yeah, I will not consume much time. Dhruv, over to you.
Yeah, I totally agree with you. And also, I want to say other people don't need to feel offended the statement that we are making here. I mean, just think, just make a one point in your mind, or one just a statement that, just think, if you are thinking it's okay, I'm satisfied whatever I have, I will go, I will make maybe 10,000 rupees per month. I'm satisfied just because all my upbringing is completed. So just think what kind of the person you will be then. You need a 10,000
Yeah.
rupees a month, then what you will do, you will be in a relaxed mode, you are sleeping 10 hours, more than 10 hours, just because you are getting 10,000 rupees. It's not a big deal to get 10,000 rupees, right? But just think, at the place of that, it's okay, you don't need any luxury life, you don't need car, nothing. All right, let it go, it's all up to you at the last. But that's just think, instead of thinking 10,000 a month, if you think I have to make in next year like 1 lakh rupees per month, so just think what kind of the person you will be then. It's not about the money, lakh, crore, 100 crore, 1 million you are making, but to reaching at that position, you will change yourself, you will start reading, you will start getting up early in the morning, you will change your entire personality.
Right.
And that personality is not only helping you, but also it will help your entire family, entire your relatives, and also people like behind you, around you. You are not here only for yourself, just think about it. So just keep in mind
And
that
And Dhruv, let me get few seconds. I want to also make a point that, if we talk about the spirituality, if we talk about the Babas, they all the time, preaching all the time, money is not everything, money is not everything. But if you go really and see their family, their students, they are studying abroad, America, UK, and if you really check their bank account, then they have billions of monies. But they all the
Right.
time preaching to the people, to the poor people. Oh, money is not everything. But they all the time asking for money, and they have huge money compared to general people.
yeah,
So yeah.
exactly, just
So
think
we
about
should
it.
think wisely. So we should think wisely that what is the true things.
Don't need to compare
You know,
our
for the luxury life,
outsider
for
people.
luxury life, we need money.
Yeah.
So it is all up to you, bro. If you want to
Yeah.
if you want a BMW, or if you want Mercedes Benz, it's all up to you. I mean, nothing is wrong about that. But still, if you don't
Yeah.
want, but the point that I made, just think, if you are thinking, ultimately you have to make money. Whether you are thinking 5,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees, or 1 rupees per day, or 100 rupees, or 1 lakh rupees per day. But the person you will become after that, it's, your mindset totally changed then. You have to read, you have
Yeah.
to
Sure.
you have to get up early in the morning, then you can only make that amount of money. Otherwise, you are
Yes,
satisfied
sir.
what you will do and what your children will do, your brothers will do. They will also follow your path, and then
And
after they are suffering.
sir,
Yeah,
and sir, happiness comes in the second, in the second rank. First of all, hungry people, hungriness, and then the removal of poverty comes first. So, so the first step is the removal of poverty, and no one is stay hungry. This is the first thing. There were lots of crime happening in the cities. The main reason is this only: they do not have sufficient money. They become snatchers and all, because they are not employed. They do not get enough money, so they can they are having food to eat. They are getting only food for one time in a day. So this is the reason. So think about that persons. They are getting only they are getting food of only one time and in a day. So how will they think about happiness? First of all, they will only think about the food. No, not happiness. Happiness always comes in the second.
yeah, okay. Venkatesh, now, bro, you can make a point, and also don't worry. Tomorrow, I will take the same topic. We will again discuss about the money, and whatever point you want to make, whatever the argument you guys want to make, just make. And yeah, I want to discuss that, so I will take that topic again whenever I will make the next session. Okay, Venkatesh, now
Okay, brother.
yeah.
Okay, bro.
Okay, bro.
And today topics we know very well about money. And according to me, money is very important. It's necessary for every human beings, because without money, we can't live the life with happy. Mm,
if because every this world is running to earn money, because there is a concept, if you want to buy anything, you have to spend money. So for we are going to work and earn money, the money, but in ancient time there is no concept of money currency. There is that time, there was a uh, commodity exchange, I think. If you want to, that's mean if you want to buy anything, for example, if you want to buy rice, for that you have to give anything, you have to give any wheats or any foods or any vessels like this. This is commodity exchange. But nowadays the money, there is a money concept. So everybody using money, yeah. Without money very difficult to live the life. So if you have money, definitely we can live the life with happy. For example, if you have a lot of money, the respect also depends on your money, because not for all. Some people give the respect by considering the money. uh, and for example, the money is involves everything, such as education, jobs, and entertainment, everything. And even you have to pray the gods. If you go, if when you go to temple, you have to pray god. There is also need money, because when you go to temple, there is a two concept for visiting the god. One, free tickets and a special tickets. So if you have money, if you have money, you can go to special darshanam. So